All right, folks, here go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with 87,000 miles and only 384 idle hours from the city of Long Beach, California. This is a California unit, so it has no rust on her whatsoever. Former detective vehicle. Original black from factory, folks. Vehicle does have minimal amount of scratches. Vehicle only has one door ding, which I will point out to you, and it's going to be on the front driver's side fender. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks, ready to go anywhere. The paint looks nice and sharp. My detail crew did an amazing job bringing it back to life. Vehicle does have fresh new window tint. The tint that came with the vehicle when I got it at the auction, it was bubbly and purple looking, so I did a tint refresh. We removed the old one, and yes, we do have new window tint all around, and that is going to be a medium shade all around. Not too dark, not too light, perfect color combination. It gives the vehicle that FBI look to it. Vehicle does have one antenna on the roof, folks. I went ahead and I did put an antenna on there. That's the actual antenna, so if you're gonna go through an express car wash, rest assured this antenna is gonna stay put. Long Beach unit 17700. Yes, this is gonna be a FLEXFUEL unit as well, so E85 okay. Paint looks great, folks. Whoever was assigned to this vehicle did an amazing job taking care of it. I'm not sure if he was a high-ranking officer or maybe a watch commander that was driving it back and forth, but it's in very, very good condition, very well taken care of. On the rear bumper, folks, we're gonna have some minor little scuff marks, but nothing big or major to worry about, folks. Once again, my detail crew did an amazing job bringing it back to life. I do have some little scuff marks right here. All right, they are right here, folks. I'm trying to catch everything as I make my way around the vehicle. That way, you can't tell me I didn't tell you so, or I forgot to mention it on the video. You know how that goes. Vehicle did come with a nice set of Goodyear Eagles RSAs. Those are going to be the 235, 55, 17s. Thankfully, these vehicles did not need tires. The tread on this vehicle, they're about 10-30 seconds, so you got a lot of rubber on there. Okay. No spotlights ever installed on this vehicle. Once again, this was a detective vehicle from the city of Long Beach, California. It was not a patrol unit. So what you see is what you're gonna get, folks. Vehicle does have a new set of OEM Ford headlights with new Sylvania Silver Star light bulbs, which are a little bit brighter, especially if you're driving at night. You guys can see that right there. Nice and new, and vehicle does have a nice used set of corner lights. The ones that came with the vehicle, they were cracked. They were yellow looking, and I don't like that look, so I went ahead and replaced those two. I did have a nice set of used side markers. On the front bumper, folks, you're gonna see that I do have some scuff marks as well on the front bumper. You guys can see that right here. All right. If you're far out away from the vehicle, you can't see them, but if you do get up close and personal, you'll see them. Vehicle does have a new OEM front license plate bracket. The one that came with the vehicle was broken. They always break right here from each corner, so I do have those on standby, so you got a new one on this one. Sun is coming down on me, so I'm gonna try to step it up, folks. So let's go inside real quick here. Once again, this is gonna be unit number 17700. The vehicle does have a matching interior, folks. I do have matching rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Vehicle does have factory carpeting floors with all 4 floor mats in place. and I gotta move. Give me a second, folks. This is the time when everybody is just like coming in, so I gotta move out of the way. Since we are here, folks, I might as well just tell you that the vehicle does have 86,000 miles. We're gonna go ahead and round that up to 87 with only 384 idle hours. Everything does work in this vehicle. Okay, vehicle does have a use ticket light here. Okay, so red and blue lights do work. Blackout option is enabled on the vehicle, so when you do open the doors, the factory dome light will turn on, just so you guys know. Let me go ahead and reposition myself over here. Let me get back to it. So we were talking about the interior. So the vehicle does have a nice rear seat, seatbelts and buckles in place, carpet floors, electric seats on the front. This is going to be a Charlie 6 rear axle. Once again, Charlie 6 rear axle, C6 rear axle. Driver's side seat is in nice condition, nice and comfortable. Vehicle does have a new aftermarket center console. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition, folks. Vehicle does have working cruise control. Hunk does work. Electric retractable pedals button in place. It does work, folks. Stereo, sorry. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song, so the vehicle does have a nice AM FM with CD player stereo from factory. Vehicle does have nice and cold AC. Also, I did replace the light bulbs behind the climate control because this one was out, so I replaced both of them. That's going to be a 194 light bulb. Vehicle does have a new use ashtray assembly. The vehicle did not have one when I got it from the auction, so that was missing, so I gave you another one right here, which is the full assembly. New little panel as well. The one that came with the car had a hole right here, so I replaced that. I do have them in stock, folks, so it doesn't hurt me to give you what I have here. Moving on to the trunk. I'm sorry I lost some time here, folks. Moving on to the trunk. Nice and clean, folks. No rips, no tears. Vehicle does have a new use full matching spare tire and wheel. The vehicle did not come with a spare tire kit, so I had to go out and buy one. Everything was sold separately, so that's a $250 deal right here at my cost. So full spare tire, OEM wheel, hold down pen is in place, floor jack to the right, folks. Okay, very nice looking trunk here, folks. Very nice. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to step it up. 8 minute and counting. Oh, before I forget, folks, on the driver's side, I do have a tear on the carpet right here. Okay, I'm leaving that alone. Another tear right here. Okay, I'm leaving this alone. It didn't bother me. I could not find you an OEM full carpet for this one, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. Okay. Door ding is right here. One door ding, that is it. Whoa, I forgot to open the trunk. I'm sorry. The hood. That's what happens when I get thrown off. So now I have 2 minutes to cover everything here with you. All right, here we go, folks. As you guys can see, my detail crew did another amazing job cleaning this vehicle up for us. All right, for folks, starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter throttle body with service and clean out. Full synthetic 520 oil service was done, fluid and filter. I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs on this one. Transmission was serviced, and I did use Motorcraft Mercon LB. Vehicle does have a brand new battery as well. The battery coming with the vehicle was weak, was dead. I had to jump it twice, so I don't like to haggle with batteries. So you got a new Deca heavy duty battery right here, folks. Before I forget, I got to tell you that the AC service was recharged on this vehicle when I first got her in. She was blowing, but it wasn't cold enough, and it kept cutting off. So I knew exactly where to go. So AC system was recharged. Folks, as you guys can see, vehicle does have a new tensioner, pulley, and a heavy duty drive belt. All three components are by Gates, okay? When was the last time you saw that? It's been a minute. Vehicle is also equipped with the blue fail-safe silicone hoses from factory, folks. Suspension is nice and tight. No funny noises whatsoever. No funny smells whatsoever. Vehicle solid and ready to go, folks. Can you find something like this cheaper out there? Of course you can, but it's not gonna be like this, folks. It's not gonna be like this. And I've seen cars out there that are gonna be a lot more money than this one, and it is what it is. All right, folks, one more last final look here. I hope I didn't forget anything. If I do forget something, folks, I'll be sure to mention it on my eBay ad. Once again, vehicles roll ready to go anywhere, folks. All services have been done. You have to do nothing to this vehicle but to take it to your local DMV and get her registered. That is it, folks. Once again, this is the Crown Victoria guy, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. Thanks for watching. You guys have a blessed weekend out there. Also want to wish you happy holidays to you and your family, okay? Thanks for watching. And if you are interested in buying this vehicle, do not hesitate to give me a call, please. I'm not sure how long this vehicle is going to stay online, so if you see it, please do not hesitate. Thanks for watching, and God bless.